Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to create a digital planner to sell on Etsy. Do you want to create a digital planner so you can sell it on Etsy? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Okay, so we need to open any browser on your PC or laptop or even on your mobile device. So on your mobile device, you need to have Canva and Etsy, their app version installed. And another thing you need to take note is you need to have a Canva account. So if you haven't created an account, it's free. It's very straightforward. We are going to create a digital planner that we're going to sell on Etsy, right? So here on the Etsy homepage, as you can see, just search on the search bar up top, digital planner. And as you can see, there's a lot of digital planners that are available here. And here's the thing, a lot of them look pretty much the same. So, but even so, as you can see here, this one has sold almost 15,000. This is over 19,000. This is almost 4,000, almost 6,000, almost 9,000, almost over 8,000. So like these are the most the highest selling digital planners on Etsy. But at the same time, you can see here it's very popular. So it's a good way to earn money off of Etsy. So you need, again, log into your Canva account, right? And what you need to do is search for planner, as you can see here. Let's search for a planner, right? And then as you can hear, there are a ton of planner templates, and most of this has been used here. They look the same, as you can see, right? If you want an easy way to do so, let's just click this one. Let's open a new tab. And as you can see, it says my weekly schedule, right? It says Monday through Saturday. But what we want to do is we want to create our own planner. So what we need to do is click on create a blank planner. So here's the thing. You could use any of these, but you have to remember to change everything because you don't want just to copy paste the planner and just sell it to Etsy because one, you're not going to sell anything, and two, you might get in trouble. So with that said, let's click on create a blank planner over here, right? And what we want to do, let's go to elements and let's click on this one. This looks good, right? This is going to be we're creating the cover page of our digital planner. So this needs to be the same size as the planner. And then what you need to do is click on the text option on here on the left side and click on add a heading. As you can see here, you could type pretty much anything, right? But what we want to do is click on font combinations. As you can see here, let's delete that. Delete that. So click on font combinations here, right? And let's go up here. And let's make this 60. And let's type in, let's do weekly planner, right? Let's make it a bit bigger, 70 maybe. There you go, 70. And now let's put it near in the middle, right? And then what you want to do is click on, let's choose another one. Let's choose Rodeo. Oh no, it's premium. So you gotta remember if it has a small like crown with a pro in it, it's premium content, so you need to pay for it. Let's choose another one. Let's choose this one, right? So what we want to do is delete these. Yeah, this is pretty. This is, you know what? This is a good style. So let's make it smaller, right? Let's make it 70. Let's make it 100. There we go. This is gonna be your weekly plan. It's gonna be in the middle. As you can see, it says weekly planner 2023, right? And the thing that the last thing that you need to do is click on add page here. And we could just go to design and say, let's type in styles. No, not styles. And weekly planner. And let's say let's choose this one, with a cat style, and we can go. You have to name this. This is title. This is title page, and then you can put it here. January week 1, right? And then here, let's just edit it. Let's put it. Let's make it smaller. Let's put it January week 1, and there you have it. So just keep on adding the page and keep on putting the page title and the title. You can this can be January week 2, week 3, week 4, February week 1, and so on and so forth. So once you're done, you could just save the Canva this Canva file, and then on your Etsy store, you can upload it to your store, and you need to make sure that everything is the title, the description, everything, the amount is up to par with these digital planner products here on Etsy. So that's pretty much it. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.